So in this question, we have two functions, function f and g given. Function f is exponential and function g is logarithmic. So what do we need to do? Find the value of x for which this time g function is equal 3.5. So all of that is equal 3.5. Okay, so let's write that. So 3.5 is equal ln square root of x. And then I have to find the value of x and give my answer in a very specific form. So how do I do that? Well, let's change ln to log of e. The reason why we are changing it, because then we can identify clearly all our elements, isn't it? Okay, so that is the base. That one here is my product. And that is my power, isn't it? Okay, so that means if I need to change, then I take the base to power, and that equal my product. So base is what? E, to power of 3.5, and my product is square root of x. Now, I need to find the value of x, not x under the square root. How do I eliminate square root? Well, I take both sides to the power of 2, isn't it? So that means that I have e to the power of 3.5 and then to the power of 2. What do I do with these powers? Well, we have a formula in our table. Where is that? There it is. And it's saying if we have two different powers, what do we do with them? We multiply. So basically 3.5 multiplied by 2. We put that in the calculator, we get that is 7. And therefore we have our answer in the form that they were looking for.